Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the amazing health benefits of saffron, the golden spice that's not only valuable but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Ready to discover what makes saffron so special? Let's dive in. First up, boosts brain health. Saffron has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. It's particularly beneficial for people with Alzheimer's disease. Studies have found that saffron can help reduce the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques, which are associated with the disease, and improve cognitive abilities. Historically, in ancient Greece, saffron was used as a remedy for enhancing memory and mental clarity. Next, enhances mood. Feeling blue? Saffron might help. This spice is known for its mood-lifting properties. Clinical studies have demonstrated that saffron can be as effective as some antidepressants in treating mild to moderate depression. It's thought to increase the levels of serotonin in the brain, which helps improve mood. In ancient Persia, saffron was used to treat depression and as a mood enhancer. Even today, Iranians use saffron in their cooking to promote happiness and warmth. Lastly, supports heart health. Saffron is rich in antioxidants which help protect your heart. It can lower cholesterol levels and prevent the arteries from clogging. The spice has also been found to help reduce blood pressure, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Interestingly, in medieval Europe, saffron was so valued for its medicinal properties that it was used as a currency and wars were fought over it. Saffron contains crocin and quercetin, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which can alleviate symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Saffron's anti-inflammatory properties were well known in traditional Chinese medicine, where it was used to treat various ailments and promote healing. Some studies suggest that saffron may help prevent cancer. The antioxidants in saffron, like crocin, have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even promote apoptosis, which is the programmed death of cancer cells. More research is needed, but the results are promising. Historically, saffron was used in ancient Egypt as part of their medicinal practices, believed to have powerful healing properties. Saffron has benefits for eye health too. It's been found to protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration, also known as AMD. Saffron can help improve retinal function and protect photoreceptor cells, which are crucial for maintaining good vision as we age. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine from India, saffron has been used for centuries to treat eye disorders and improve eyesight. Struggling with cravings? Saffron might help. It has been shown to reduce appetite and curb snacking, making it easier to manage weight. The spice influences serotonin levels, which can help you feel fuller for longer. During the Renaissance, saffron was often added to meals not only for its flavor and color, but also because it was believed to aid digestion and promote satiety. For those who experience premenstrual syndrome or PMS, saffron can be a natural remedy. Studies have found that saffron can significantly reduce PMS symptoms, including mood swings, irritability, and physical discomfort. Just a small dose of saffron daily can make a big difference. In ancient Persia, saffron was traditionally used to ease menstrual pain and discomfort. Now, let's get into a bit of science. One of the key reasons saffron is so beneficial is due to its rich chemical composition. Saffron contains over 150 volatile and aroma-yielding compounds. The primary active components include crocin, quercetin, safranal, and picrocrocin. Crocin, in particular, is responsible for saffron's bright red color and many of its health benefits. It has powerful antioxidant properties which help protect your cells from damage and reduce inflammation throughout the body. This makes saffron a potent ally in promoting overall health and preventing disease. Personally, I've started adding a pinch of saffron to my tea every morning, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my mood and energy levels. It's incredible how something so small can have such a big impact. So, to recap, saffron boosts brain health, enhances mood, supports heart health, reduces inflammation, may help prevent cancer, improves vision, aids in weight management, and relieves PMS symptoms. Isn't it incredible how much this little spice can do? Here's an interesting economic fact. Saffron is often called red gold because of its high cost. It's one of the most expensive spices in the world, with prices reaching up to £3,500 per pound. This high cost is due to the labor-intensive harvesting process where each saffron thread is hand-picked from the flower. Despite its price, the global saffron market continues to thrive, reflecting its enduring value and demand. Here's a challenge for you. Try incorporating saffron into your next meal or drink and see if you notice any of these benefits. Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us on this saffron journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. What herb should we delve into next? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world with us. Bye for now.